Hello everyone, Don Bassler here. Today I'm going to show you more about one of the simplest and most profitable AI side hustles I've seen in a long time. Truly my personal favorite right now. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to create and sell AI voice assistants to real estate agents and how you can charge $297 to $497 per month per agent for a service that takes surprisingly little time to set up. And you can do this even if you're a complete beginner, have no tech skills at all, and have never made a dime online. I'm going to show you how to find real estate agents who are perfect prospects using Zillow, how to send them short personalized Loom videos that grab their attention and pique their interest, how to position this as a game-changing tool for their property listings, and how to quickly deliver the AI voice assistant using the GoHighLevel software when they say yes. And the best part, each agent only needs a single phone number connected to their account, and it can handle multiple property listings. This helps makes the process even easier and leads to that semi-passive recurring monthly revenue for you. Now, before we jump in, let me make something super clear. This is not a disguised sales video. I don't sell expensive masterminds. I don't sell high ticket courses. My entire business model is built around being an affiliate. That means I only succeed when you succeed, and I'm here to make sure that happens for you. So when you use my link in the description of this video to get started, you'll get everything I personally use dropped directly into your account. You'll get my funnels, my websites, my outreach scripts, my sales scripts, my automation setups, everything. You even get 2 already trained and built AI voice agents, one for demoing and one that you can use for your first client. Everything. So you can hit the road running and have it all set up for you from day one. And as an added bonus, you'll also get access to my free weekly live Q&A sessions, my private community where we all share our wins and strategies, and bonus content I don't post anywhere else. You can also just comment AI below this video, and I'll personally make sure you get hooked up. All right, if you like simple side hustles, recurring monthly income, and the winning idea of offering AI voice assistants to real estate agents, do me a quick favor, will you? Go ahead and hit the like button and comment AI agent and share this video. Then be sure to subscribe as well. It really helps me to serve more folks like you and motivates me to keep making helpful side hustle strategy videos like this one. All right, let's dive in and jump onto my screen and I'll show you exactly how this works. All right, so we'll head on over to Zillow and we'll mouse over find an agent and you'll see this pops up. This is really interesting. We can find real estate agents. We can also do this for home builders. We can do it for property managers. We can do it for real estate photographers. So we can do it for other people in the real estate industry. It doesn't have to just be real estate agents. But what I really love about real estate agents is that they're so readily findable. They put their phone number and email on virtually all of their marketing materials, especially on Zillow, so they're really easy to find. If I'm going to go after roofers or plumbers or nail salons, it's typically more difficult for me to contact the business owner. They've got their gatekeepers, their receptionists or operators, and they don't typically just put you in contact with the owner. It might take a week or so to get that achieved. So I like to go straight to the simplicity, and this AI assistant agent provides such great value to these real estate agents. They immediately get it, so they really are the perfect prospects. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on find an agent, and then here I'm going to click on my local neighborhood. I'll just choose Costa Mesa. That's local to me here. And you'll see I'm going to immediately be presented with all these agents. You can see what their team price range is, or even their individual price range. And you can click on their profile to learn more. You can see the sales in the last 12 months, 22, 353 total sales, a price range of 320,000 to 8.8 million. That's interesting. And then you can learn about the realtor here, of course, and you can see how many properties they have for sale. Here, this Holly has 5 properties sale ranging from 500,000 up to 2.5 million. So she's a really good prospect. She's active, she's productive. And what's even better is if we scroll down on each of these profiles, we can find right here the phone number, contact phone number, and the email. So I'll just build a spreadsheet of all of these people as I go through. I just copy and paste everything into a spreadsheet. Another technique that I really like to do and that really bears great fruit is to come here and click on Top Agent. These top agents, they pay for this badge. So not only are they top producers, but they have proven that they already invest in their marketing. And so they're also really great prospects for this. So I'll just come down here. I'll look at like John Yasko. I'll check his information and I can just scroll down. He's got 2 really expensive properties for sale. Perfect prospect. He's going to make huge commissions on these when he sells them. And I'll just scroll down and you can see his contact information is here. So I'll literally just get an Excel spreadsheet, copy and paste information to build my list of prospects. And by the way, you can do this inside the GoHighLevel software really easily too. It's just a video for another time. So now that we've got our client list, our prospects to sell these AI agents to, the next thing we're going to do is formulate our outreach. And that's why this is such a powerful service to sell. Now let's talk about how we get agents excited about this. Cold emails are one option, and when you sign up for my software using my link in the description below, I even give you my free automated email sequence that you can use to reach out to agents easily. But short, personalized videos are my go-to favorite. What I do is create 10 to 15 second Loom videos. I'll open up their Zillow listing, record my screen, and say something like, "Hey Holly, Don Bassler here. I was just looking at your listing on Zillow for the Bunker Hill Way property, and I can help you get it sold. I build AI voice assistants that answer calls for listings like that, provide details to buyers, and even schedule showings automatically so you can get that commission check quicker. I made a quick demo for you. If you're even a tiny bit curious how this could help you accelerate your sales, I'd love to show it to you. Just reply yes, and I'll respond with even better news." That's it. Short, personal, curiosity driven. Agents get these videos and they think, wait, an AI agent that answers calls about my listings? Now you've got their attention. When an agent responds, the conversation is simple. You're not selling software, you're selling more closed deals and faster income. Think about it. Every listing represents a potential commission check. If your AI helps them capture just one extra buyer, it could mean 10,000, 20,000, even 30,000 in commission. And in many areas of the country, like you can see here, much more than that. And you're charging only $297 to $497 per month. It's really a no-brainer. And here's the lifestyle angle that always gets a laugh with agents. I like to say, this just makes sure no buyers slip through the cracks so you can close listings faster, collect that commission check, and spend more time on your boat. And if they don't have a boat yet, well, this service might help them change that. I actually say that. All right, so let me show you how I create these Loom videos and how we go about sharing this opportunity with real estate agents. So I will literally just navigate to an agent's page, as you see here. I'm at Holly McDonald's, and as I'm recording my Loom video, I'll just scroll through their property. I'll keep it active. It's only 10-15 seconds long. I might click on the actual property that I'm talking about, and then I'll just get right back and I'll get to the point, letting them know how I can benefit them. And so rather than go through shooting Loom videos, which I think most people know how to do, you just get a free account. And then once you shoot the video, you just text it to them directly from your laptop. I'll go ahead and just show you a couple of my samples that I send out. "Hi Holly, this is Don. Please don't delete me. I'm actually calling to help you close more deals and get those commission checks faster so you can spend more time on your boat or finally have a reason to buy one. Quick question. Have you heard about the AI voice assistant that instantly responds to your Zillow and website inquiries, pre-qualifies the lead, and even books showings on your calendar 24/7? Agents using it are capturing more opportunities without lifting a finger. And if you're even a little interested or curious, just reply yes." Hi, Holly. Don Bassler here in Newport Beach. Hey, I've got something that's changing the game for real estate agents. An AI voice agent that answers every buyer call 24/7, even at 2 a.m. It qualifies leads in seconds, books showing straight into your calendar, and only sends you the serious buyers ready to move. That means you get qualified booked showings, listings sell faster, and you get that commission deposit faster without doing the phone work or chasing missed calls, all on autopilot. Would you be open minded enough to check it out? Just reply yes, and I'll send you over a demo of it handling a call for a sample listing. I'm excited to send it out to you. So you can see these are really fun to make. They're easy. They're impactful because they come in as text messages. They pique curiosity. They're a great way for reach out. And once the agent says yes, here's the simple steps we take to create these AI voice agents. So this part is super simple as well, just like all the previous steps. We're just going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to type in this simple prompt. I'm creating an AI voice agent that answers calls, schedules showings, and answers questions for a real estate listing. Here's the information I have regarding the listing. And now I'm going to hit Shift and Return because I need to put an area where I'm going to copy and paste Holly's real estate listing information. So I'll go back to her listings here. And we're talking about this Shearwater place, the 2.5 million. I'm just going to click on that. And I don't want to get too much information here. I'm just going to go ahead and grab right about to here. Maybe leave the map in there. I'm just going to copy that because that's the basic information, that which a caller really needs to know about. And I'm going to copy that and I'll put it right back into here on ChatGPT, and I'm going to click this up arrow for enter, and you can see it's looking at this. It's going to work. It's now scanning that information. It's understanding the property. It's understanding everything about the property address, and it's going to give me this awesome prompt right here. I'm just going to come in here now and I'm going to copy this entire piece here. I'm going to, from AI voice agent property knowledge base. By the way, ChatGPT is built in or has GoHighLevel built into it. That's how important GoHighLevel software is. So it already knows about these voice AI agents, and you can see that the data that it gives me is just really priceless. Okay, if somebody asks what are HOA fees, it's already prompted itself. I'm not going to go through everything that it's asked here. I'm just going to copy everything that it found, and now I'm going to go back into GoHighLevel. And once I'm in the software, I'm going to go ahead and go to AI agents. But before I do, I just want to let you know this software is so cool because here you can see I have my Midas 365 logo on it. But you're able, once you sign up and have your account, you're able to put your own logo on here. So you're whitelisting this as your own software. You pay $97 up to 3 clients or $297 a month for 4 or up to unlimited clients, which is crazy. And you're in the digital marketing business and you have access to website builders, AI agents, Google reviews, all kinds of stuff that are in my other videos. But what we're going to do here is we're going to click on AI agents. We're going to click on voice AI up here at the top. And then up here at agent list, I'm just going to go to create agent. I could have done it from the previous screen as well. I'm going to ignore the browse marketplace and go straight to create custom agent, and I'll click continue. And now this just created an agent for me. All the software does the heavy lifting for you. I'll give this a agent name. I'm just going to call this, let's call it Holly. It's going to sound so similar. I mean, it sounds just like a human being, but they'd probably want us to give it a different name. But for this example, I'm going to call it Holly. And business name, you would put in whatever business name you want there. It's required, so I'll just say Coldwell Banker. I think she was actually Compass. I don't remember, but it doesn't matter. Compass Realty. And then I'm going to choose English, but you can see you can choose all of these languages. It's really insane. So you can literally do this side hustle in all these different countries. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose Jessica. We'll just give this a listen.
Hey, Worldly 11 Labs friends, let's talk. Let's have a
It's that
conversation about
inflection. It's
anything.
really good.
My name's Jessica, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you.
So I'm just going to leave Jessica, but you can see you can come in here and choose Hope, Aaron, Clyde, Isla, Donovan. Take time and listen to these and see what you want, whether you want a British accent or not, right? But I'm going to go ahead and just leave it here. And again, you can choose your large language model. I use it as GPT-4. And then here's the agent's initial message. You're going to want to change this. Say something like, hey, you have reached Holly's voice AI agent. It sounds like a human, but we're not here to fool anybody. People will think this is Holly or a real human voice. I literally started saying this is a voice AI agent because people can't tell the difference. And sometimes I've been told, oh, you got me. They kind of feel stupid, and I don't want that. I want zero friction. So we literally now, it's so good, we tell them it's a voice AI agent. How can I help you today? So that'll be the initial message that they're going to say. I'm going to click on next. And now you could upload a knowledge base with a website or do whatever to teach this, but we're going to just go to switch to advanced mode because we have that ChatGPT prompt already. And I'm going to go ahead and click all of this and just delete it. But you can see there's a really good prompt in there already, but it's not trained to the specific property. Okay, so I'm going to click paste and it's in there now. And it says emojis are not allowed. So ChatGPT threw an emoji in here on me. I should have said in the prompt, no emojis. But I'm going to look for it here. There it is, pro tip. Can you believe that? Okay, got rid of the emoji. And now I'm going to click next. And this is really cool. So the AI agent's trained to the property. It knows everything it needs to know about that property in order to schedule a booking. I connect this to the agent's calendar, and this thing's booking showings 24/7, 365. Yeah, weekends, after hours. The next thing you do need to do for each agent is you need to purchase a phone number for this agent, the phone number that they will call in order for either the agent to pick up, which they typically don't because they know it's related to this AI agent, or for the AI agent to take over. So we're going to buy a new number, and all we do is we go in here, and what I do to buy this number is kind of an inside trick. I'm going to go add number. A lot of people don't know this, they just get what they get. But you can go into the filter here by number, and here where it says match to any part of the number, I put the first part of the number. And I'll choose the 956 area code for the first part of the number, and I'll click apply, and you'll see it's going to give you all of these 956 numbers here. So I'll just choose one, and then I'm going to scroll on down here and click proceed to buy. It's a whopping $1.15 a month. I absorbed the cost of the phone number just because I'm getting $300 a month to run this thing, to set it up. It takes me 3 to 5 minutes, and I just don't feel right telling the agent, oh, plus $1.15 a month. I absorb that. So I proceed to buy, and I'm not going to do that now, but when you do, it's going to give you a number here. And as you can see, I have a forwarding number on my own voice AI agent. So when my phone rings, I can pick it up and talk directly to the caller, but since I know it's connected to voice AI, I just leave it alone. I don't pick it up. And then my voice AI picks up and takes care of the call. So going back now, after I bought the new number, it would populate here, and I would just choose that number, and then I can start to make other decisions here, which are really cool. I can enable the AI agent as a backup to the phone number in the number pool. So leave this off if you want your voice AI agent to immediately answer every call. That's the way we do it. We don't do the forwarding. And then we can also do this really handy little setting is set working hours for the agent. So the agent can literally tell us like when they want to be available. I leave it off because this thing's working for me 24/7, right? Okay, then we'll just save that and it's done. It's that easy. So now that we created it, let me turn my volume up here and let's go ahead and call this thing. Let's start a web call.
Hey, you have reached Holly's Voice AI agent. How can I help you today?
Hey, I'm calling about your Sherwood Place listing. Can you tell me something about that?
Ah, I think you mean Shearwater Place. Sure thing. This is a beautifully remodeled detached home in the gated Bayview Terrace community in Newport Beach. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and about 1,739 square feet of living
So it
space.
knows
The
everything
home
about this
features dramatic.
property, and I think I can actually interrupt her now. Yeah, I'm sorry to interrupt, but can I schedule a booking?
Of course. Let's get that set up for you. What day works best for you?
Well, I guess I should have said, could I schedule a showing of the property, right?
Yes, absolutely. I'll schedule a showing for you. What day would you prefer?
Okay, how is Thursday at 3 p.m.?
Got it. Thursday at 3 p.m. Let me confirm. That's March 12th, right?
Correct.
Perfect. Do you prefer morning or afternoon?
Well, 3 p.m.
Ah, right. 3 p.m. is perfect. Can I grab your name and the best phone number to confirm the appointment?
Yes, my name is Don, D-O-N, Bassler, B-A-S-S-L-E-R, and my phone is 949-697-8917.
Thanks, Dawn. Just to confirm, that's Dawn Bassler, spelled D-O-N Bassler, and your phone number is 949-697-8917, correct?
That is correct, and I don't have any other questions, so thank you very much.
You're all set, Dawn. Thanks for reaching out, and enjoy the showing on Thursday at 3 p.m. Have a great day.
You too, thanks. Okay, I mean, that is the coolest thing in the world. It's the industry game changer that's going on right now in AI, especially for the real estate industry, because it's just providing so much value. But what's super important is that this is what I instruct you to do. This is what I suggest you do. Hear me. Go out, sign up, use my link, get the 30 free days for this software. On day 31, you're going to be charged $97, and that gives you up to 3 clients. Technically 2 because your sub account counts as 1. But forget about building any of this. Just go out and create a good problem for yourself. What is that good problem, Don? That good problem is go out, create the Loom videos, and just get that first client. Charge them $97 a month. Charge them $197. Charge them $297. It doesn't matter. Get your software costs covered so that on day 31 you're paid for. And then when you get 4 or more agents signed up, which you'll do quickly, just commit to this. Be your own hero. Sell this thing, share this thing, pitch this thing, because the value is there. Agents get it. When you get 4 or more, it's $297 a month, and now you can have unlimited. So it doesn't matter whether you sign 4, 10, 50. Imagine how this can scale for you. You can quickly make 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, 20 per month, and it's monthly recurring income. This is what I love so much about this software, and this is what I want to share with you as a side hustle, because I learned this, I pitched it, I'm succeeding with it, and I want to give back. And these are actions that you can very readily take. So let's just recap what we learned here today. We learned how to find agents on Zillow, how to personalize and shoot the Loom videos. We learned how to sell the AI assistant just through simple text messages. We learned how to deliver it through GoHighLevel and how to price it from $297 to $997. Again, $297 if you're going to singular agents, $997 if you're going to take it to a broker, which why not? Take it to a broker and pitch it for 12 agents. $997 all day long. And if it's 12 agents, you get 12 numbers. Each agent can have multiple property listings, right? This is one of those services where everyone wins. Agents capture more buyers, listings sell faster, they collect their commission checks sooner, and maybe they get to spend more time on their boat, just maybe. Look, use the description below, if you will, and sign up with my link. You'll get all my funnels, all my scripts, all my websites, my automations automatically loaded into your account. And I'll then invite you to join my private training sessions where we'll learn a lot more than what I teach in these videos. And you'll now be a member of my GoHighLevel tribe, and I nurture you and I make sure that you're successful. I also give you access to Q&A sessions. I give you access to an area where I post stuff that I just don't post anywhere else. So you have access to that. And in addition to all the websites and the scripts and everything I give you my access to my free weekly Q&A Zooms. And really all I ask is just comment AI agent in the comments down below, and I'll make sure you're hooked up with everything, okay? And again, if you found value in this video, would you do me a quick favor? Hit that like button, make a comment down below, like I said, AI agent, and share the video with a friend who would also enjoy learning about this really cool side hustle. And subscribe to the channel. So there you have it. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for the commenting, liking, sharing, subscribing. And you know what?
That was easy.
That was easy. God bless you. Thanks for watching.